If you're running your business from your personal cell phone, you may be making your business look smaller than it actually is, and you could be losing customers before they even ever buy from you. But before you contact any business phone provider directly, contact iManagement Solutions first using the Contact Us link in the description of this video. So when you sign in for business phone services through us, we will give you a 10% off. And when you bundle business phone services along with website, domain name, and professional business email through ibizwebonline.com, we'll give you 15% off. So don't go directly to the provider and miss your discount. Contact iManagement Solutions first using the Contact Us link in the description of this video. Many new business owners start with their personal cell phone, and I understand why. It's easy, it's already available, and it feels like you're saving money. But here's the problem. When your business grows, your personal phone becomes a liability. You miss calls. You mix personal and business messages. You answer unprofessionally, and you expose your personal number, and customers may not even take your business seriously. iManagement Solutions helps businesses get set up with RingCentral business phone services. So if you contact us first using the Contact Us link in the description of this video, we will give you 10% off business phone services or 15% off when you bundle with business phone, website, domain name, and a professional business email. A professional business phone system gives your company a real business presence. Your business can have a dedicated business phone number, a professional greeting, auto-attended menu options, extensions for team members, business voicemail, call forwarding, text messaging, video menus, and mobile app access. So instead of customers calling your personal phone, they will call your business. So just imagine this greeting. Thank you for calling ABC Services. Press 1 for sales. Press 2 for support. Press 3 for billing. That immediately makes your business sound more professional. And here's the key. You don't need a big box office or expensive phone equipment. You can run this from your mobile phone, laptop, or even your desktop. So if you're a new business owner, contractor, consultant, beauty professional, tax preparer, insurance agent, realtor, trucking company, cleaning company, or online business, this can help you look more established. Your phone system is part of your brand. So if your website looks professional, your email looks professional, but your phone setup feels personal and disorganized, you're leaving a gap in your business image. That's why iManagement Solutions helps businesses get set up with professional business phone services. And remember, when you sign up through iManagement Solutions, we'll give you 10% off business phone services. So if you bundle business phone, website, domain name, and professional business email services through us, we'll give you 15% off. So do not contact the provider first. Contact iManagement Solutions first using the Contact Us link in the description of this video so we can help get you the discount and get your business phone system set up properly. And if your business also needs a professional website, domain name, business email, visit ibizwebonline.com. Our ibizwebonline.com services are powered by GoDaddy through our partnership, so we can help you get your business online with a website, domain, and professional email address. So that means you can have a business phone number, a professional website, a domain name, a business email address, and a more credible business image, all working together. So this is part 1 of my business phone system series. In the next video, I'm going to show you how business phone systems work for small businesses and why they can help you look more professional, capture more calls, and really grow your business. So subscribe now, turn on the notifications so you won't miss the next upcoming video. So if you need a professional business phone system, contact iManagement Solutions first using the Contact Us link in the description of this video. And again, when you sign up through us, we'll give you 10% off business phone services. And when you bundle business phone services along with the website, domain name, and a professional business email service through us, we'll give you 15% off. So do not go directly to the provider and miss your discount. Contact iManagement Solutions today using the contact us link in the description of this video and let us help you set up your business communication the right way.